use of the credit report provider button. Credit report provider button, which is right here, it is used so you can save the address of your credit monitoring service, one of the 4 that we are compatible at this moment: Identity IQ, Privacy Guard, Smart Credit, or Pro Credit. And optionally, you can save the username and also the password. If you record the username and password, when you go to that particular provider, the username and password will be saved in your Windows clipboard. It won't be shown in the credit or entered automatically, but you need to paste it with Control V. If you read the instructions here, you'll see how easy it is. And simply, if you don't want to put your username and password in, it's fine too. You can just use it to put the address, the URL of the provider, and simply click go to go over there. It is that simple. Thanks.